Yeah, okay, guys. So I'm going to be doing a quick run through of my charts, what I'm expecting in the market. Currently, this is the currency pair market. I'm going to be showing you guys my setups, what I'm expecting to see in the currency market for this week, what I'll be looking at. So if you are new in this channel, please, I would like you to subscribe and like the video and leave a comment as well on what you think about the video, so as to assist me and motivate me to drop more interesting content. All right, so first of all, we're going to Euro GBP, Euro Pound, the Euro Pound. Currently, the fundamental that is affecting the market is the Brexit, British exit. I don't know if I pronounced that well, but it's pronounced that way somehow. So it's what is affecting the market right now. The Brexit, the British exit, European Union and British coming to an agreement. So probably the British, they may end up in a no deal, which I think will be bad for the pounds, which will make the pound drop in its value. And the euro, they are saying something like not wanting the price of their currency to appreciate too much, because that would mean more cost for external investors to purchase the currency and invest in bonds, their bonds and all that. So that is all the fundamental jargons. I won't go into that unless you guys would want me to go into that in the future. Probably tell you how I do my fundamental analysis and how I combine everything. So currently here, this is what I'm looking at on Euro Pounds. I'm currently in this trade. I'm on this trade right now. What I normally do is go to the daily, or most times the weekly, and get the overall direction, the overall market structure of the particular pair I am currently looking at. I just go to the daily or the weekly to see what I'm looking at. Since I've already marked everything up, I'm just going to go to the daily and show you guys exactly what I am looking at and how I'm going to react to the streets. I'm going to react to the streets. So the network right now is bad, but so guys, if you are new to trading, I am new as well. I mean, I'm not the old trader or something. I'm new and I'm still learning every single day. Learning never stops. So if you are new to trading, what I would advise is never, ever, 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 ever put the mindset of being rich in a day or making thousands of dollars. If you have a mentor, I'm telling you this, if you have a mentor who just shows you money, money, money all the time, man, if you can get your money back from that mentor, better get your money and get out of that academy, because it will take you a lot longer to learn. It will take you a longer time to learn, because when you're focused on this making money aspect and you're not concerned about the risk aspect and potential of losing money, man, your brain will get messed up. You start gambling. You start probably after losing a trade or two, you start gambling and like, wow, why is my mentor doing this? My mentor is making millions of naira, millions of dollars, and I can't even do shit. So guys, that is just an advice from me. So here you can see I've marked up my support and resistance level. These are the horizontal lines you can see here in the purple horizontal lines, light purple or something. Yeah, the horizontal line you can see here. So I marked up the support and resistance, the market, a sharp pattern. You can see here the price has been moving in an ascending channel, and within the ascending channel, it has been moving in a descending channel as well. You can see here, yeah, it was a descending channel. I already removed the lines. I'm now focused on the current price action, which is also forming a descending channel as well. Yeah, price currently is forming descending channel, so that was how I marked everything up. And I went down to the 4 hours to, look for a potential setup, potential entry. Sorry, potential entry. And let's see. Let's go to the 4 hours right now. The H4. Let's go to the H4, guys. I'm currently sipping my wine. Staring at the charts. man, trading should be cool. You should not be all messed up with the charts and be so into the charts like a zombie, like a shark zombie. Take some time off, enjoy yourself while looking at the charts. Try to free your mind, open your mind. Don't like get so obsessed with the price action, with what the chart is doing, what the price is doing, what the market is doing. Sometimes it plays with you. You just have to enjoy yourself. Look at the charts. Only trade what you know. But the market is going to throw a lot of stuff at you. If you're not mentally strong, man, you are going to respond by blowing your accounts. You're going to respond to the market by blowing your accounts. So if you are not mentally strong, you'll just be blowing accounts for no reason. Not that you don't have the skill. You have the skill set. I mean, you can analyze charts. If you analyze the chart and you compare it to a professional chart, it will be like almost 90% similar to their charts. And you'll be like, why are they consistently profitable and I'm not? Bruh, you have to work on your emotions, your psychology. You need to be concrete, solid, disciplined. If you are not disciplined, man, you will not make a single dime. You will not even make $1 from this market. You can grow an account of $100 to like $1,000, $2,000, and then boom, you just blow the account. You just blow the account straight up. Blow the account. Even if somebody gives you an account of $1 million, you're still gonna blow it. You need to work on your psychology. I don't know. I think the network is messing with my charts right now. My chart is not supposed to be looking like this. The network is messing with my charts. And I'm going to go to the other pairs. I think this one loads up. Let me check. Let's check. And let's see. Let's see. Okay, yeah, the chart is back. So guys, as you can see here, price is moving in the descending channel inside the ascending channel. So you have to know there are 3 types of trend. There's a weak trend, there's a strong trend, and there is a good trend. Weak trend, strong trend, and a good trend. A good trend will just be making a series of higher highs and higher lows, just going normally, while a strong trend, boom, just spike all the way up without even making a retracement, without making much retracements, just few retracements, and boom. Then a weak trend, man, that is what we call a choppy trend, to just be going slowly, but overall it will be moving up, but it will not give you an entry. Most times it doesn't give you an entry. So let's talk about this trade, how I entered this trade. As you can see here, market is moving in a descending channel inside the ascending channel. So price went all the way to the top of the channel here. As you can see, the price went all the way to the top of the channel. They formed a pin bar. The pin bar, if you are a trader, I think you should know how to read the candlesticks. So you know what a pin bar means. You know the psychology behind the pin bar. Probably, let's see, market opened at the top. Buyers came in, pushed the price all the way up. Then sellers came in and dragged the price way down, causing a wick or a shadow. I think, yes, it's also called a shadow, causing a wick or a shadow above the body of the candle. So that is the psychology behind these pin bar. You can see right here, market opened, buyers were like all in, they pushed the price all the way up, then sellers came in and boom, they crashed the price and it closed below, leaving a long rejection wick. That means the sentiment is probably changing from that of the buyers to the sellers. So you're taking yourself, use your proper risk management, just in case you are wrong, you lose little, and you're right, you make more. As you can see, it's already at a 1-to-1, so I don't know. Market might just open and it might just go straight on my stop loss, or probably my trading stop, and I'll be good with that. we'll be all good with that. And let's go to the second pair right here, EURNZD. Let's see what EURNZD is doing. Let's see what EURNZD is doing, man. I hope I'm not boring you guys, but you really have to listen and focus on this, getting the skill. Focus on acquiring the skills, not just making the money. The money comes later. Focus on acquiring this skill. If you can acquire it and be a pro, I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you, I know a lot of levels I have passed. I have not like become a god in the forex market yet, but I have passed through a lot of levels whereby some levels I was like, okay, I think I know everything, and then boom, turns out I know nothing, and then again I thought I know everything, and then boom, turns out I know nothing. And it has been occurring. It occurs. It is a normal thing for a forex trader. It occurs all the time. It occurs all the time. So that whenever you are in that phase, like some traders, I think there are some traders, some professional traders. I follow them on Instagram and on YouTube as well. There is something called I think the V phase. The V phase. The V phase. I'm going to be talking about that a little bit more in my next video. The V phase. There are 3 phases in forex as a trader. You pass through 3 phases. Pass through 3 phases. Those phases, you cannot escape them. You can never escape them. No matter how smart you think you are, you can never escape those 3 phases. That is what actually builds you to become a better trader. You must pass through those 3 phases. You will pass through them. So I'm just going to give a little summary. The first stage is the stage where you go into forex. You'll be like, oh man, study a little bit and you think that, I think I have it. You fund your account, you blow it. You fund an account, you blow it again. You fund an account and you blow it, and you be like, okay, I think I'm going to chill right now. I'm going to chill, go back to study. After studying, then you come back again, fund your account, grow it, blow it. You grow it, you blow the account. You grow it, blow the account. You grow it, you blow the account. Grow it, you blow the account. As you can see, the second phase is different from the first phase. So gradually, when you are entering into the third phase, which is the last phase, you found an account, you grow it, boom, you blow your profits. You grow it, you blow your profits. Overall, you're not growing, you're not blowing your entire account. Then the last phase is the phase to consistency. You fund an account, you grow it to a particular level, you blow some profit off, not the profit, you blow some profit off, then you trade again, you grow it beyond the previous profit margin or profit level, you blow a little bit out of that profit. Overall, you are still in profit. And from that stage, you know you are getting to your last bus stop of consistency, your goals to becoming a consistent trader, consistently profitable trader. So on the EURNZD here, you can see on the daily, the market is like choppy somehow. Like it doesn't have a clear direction, but if you mark up, this is the daily. So you can see I marked up my levels and I went down. What I saw was the market. This is a weak trend, more like a channel, somehow like an ascending channel. You can see the bottom of the channel here. Price is at the bottom of the channel. So I went down to the 4 hours, and I'm just going to explain only these. Then I'm going to run through the rest pairs. I'm going to run through them. There's no time. There is no time. I think I have taken a lot of time on this taking a lot of time, and I don't want to take much time. So as you can see here, the price is more like in a channel. I see this is the bottom of the channel here. This is the bottom of the channel. As you can see here, this is the third touch on the line. So there is a possibility, a high possibility that price will go up from here. Why do I say so? Because it is at the price is currently at the H4 trend line, the 4-hour trend line. Not only that, it is in a horizontal level. As you can see here, this horizontal level served as a support and resistance level. As you can see here, it was a resistance here, turned up, became a support, and somehow here it is acting as a support. The third confluence here is price. You can see the Fibonacci here. Price is around the 61.8% Fib level area. You can see it here, the 61.8% Fib level area. So price may start going up from here. What will I see to enter? What will I see probably to get in on the trade? I would like to see a big engulfing bar. I would like to see an engulfing bar right here. Probably an engulfing bar, a strong, very strong engulfing bar that signifies that buyers are still in control of the market. Probably strong engulfing H4 bar, not just in 1 hour bar. 1 hour bar can be violated like any time. I need a strong H4 bar, or probably a morning star candlestick pattern. Then I will take my trade and target the previous high, which is here, or probably target the overall high, which is here. Probably take my profit from there. So let's run through the other pairs. Let's run through the other pairs. Let us run through the other pairs. This is CAD JPY. So on CAD JPY, let's see on CAD JPY. So let's see CAD JPY. Let's see what CAD JPY has for us. It is loading up. I do not know why my internet is slow. My internet connection is very slow. You can see the 4G, but yet it is slow. 4G, slow 4G. 4G is slow. It is slow. The 4G is slow. 4G is slow right here. And so on the H4, I'm not going to go to the daily and all that. So you can see here CAD JPY. On the H4, probably after marking up your levels and all your zones, you will have a chart that looks similar to these. What I'm expecting on the CAD JPY, I'm expecting price to come down to the previous resistance level that it has broken out of. As you can see here, it was support. If you go behind, you can see here price is support here, broke below, formed a little bit of resistance on here, and so you can see here it broke above, and it is probably, there's a lot of possibility that it may come back to retest this area and then give a push to the upside. That is what may likely happen. There's a lot of possibility. So if price comes down here, I'll look to take a trade. It has a multiple confluence here, because here is the daily support to resistance level 1, and it is the bottom of this. As you can see here, there's a trend line, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch. This is going to probably be the 4th touch if price can come all the way to the trend line. And the third confluence here is to be retesting the 50% feed level area, and the 4th confluence is that price will be above this 50 moving average. This 50 price will be above the 50 moving average. So that will be the 4th confluence of this trade. I add the moving average as a confluence. I don't take signals from it. I just add it as a confluence. It is good to add some indicators. Most times, if you are that kind of person, you can add an indicator to just look at the charts and, get the overall direction and not stress yourself too much. All right, so you guys can see here that it is a level, a very clear level. Let's go to the CHF JPY. Let's go to the CHF JPY. I think I am not going to be able to run through all these analysis. I'm just going to go straight to my AUD NZD analysis, explain that, and we'll be done for today. So guys, this is practically how I trade. I don't use those complicated strategies and all that. Don't trade complicated strategies. My strategy is very simple. It's very simple to understand. I add a lot for my confluences. I use a lot. As you can see, I have two accounts, two trading view accounts. So this is my AUD NZD. These are trade setup. I have been waiting for it to line up for, like, I think since last week. I've been waiting for the trade to make sense, and before I hop in on this trade, let's see what we have here. Let's see. Let us see what we have on the car, on the odd New Zealand, the Aussie. Let's see what the Aussie had for us. The Aussie is loading up right now. It is loading up. It's gonna load up right now. Yeah, I think my screen sharing somehow closed, so I'm gonna share the screen again. Yeah, share. Okay, I know. So guys, this is what I am looking at. This setup looks sweet. It looks nice. This setup looks nice. I just pray it works out so I can take it from on the daily here. You guys can see on the daily, these are my levels. You may think these levels are close, but I think they're like few pips. I think up to 100 pips away from each other, these levels, so they are not that close. If you go to the H4, you will see they are not that close. But I like, because this pair I've come to understand this pair. It responds to even smaller zones that you think they don't matter. This pair respects zone. It respects those minor zones you may not like focus on much. It respects zones, so you may think the price is still going to move forward, not knowing there's a minor zone there, and boom, mess your trade up. So I'm looking to go long on this. Long, if you're a new trader, going long means buying. Going long on a pair, it means to buy. If you want to go short on a pair, it means to sell. Going short doesn't mean you just scalp it. It doesn't mean you're going to scalp. It's just the slang word that is used for going buying and selling. So I think I explained it. So as you can see, you saw on the daily there. So on the 4 hours, market is channeling down, broke out of the channel, and as you can see here, price. I took a sell here. I think I took a little bit of profit. But I entered another position here for the hopes that probably it will break out and come down to this place, but it did not. So I closed that in a little bit of loss, and I closed my first position in a little bit of profit. I think that was around break even. I just call it break even here. No much profits, no much loss. So what am I expecting on the AUD NZD right now? What I'm expecting to see on the AUD NZD is for price to come down to the previous support and resistance level to take a buy. Why would I want to take a buy here? Because first of all, price has been respecting this level in the past. If you go to the past, if you just keep scrolling to the left, you see that price has respected this level a lot. Know that this level is not just a straight line. A support and resistance level, they are not straight lines, so price may not even touch the line before showing some rejections and going to the top upside. Price may reverse Price may reverse and price may just come close to this line and then reverse. It doesn't mean it is not respecting the level. You have to know these places are zones, not a straight line. So what I'm expecting on the EDNZ is for price to come down here, retest, give some rejection wicks. As you can see here, if you want to create your own strategy, it is very easy. What I do advise people is just mark up your levels, mark up your zones, mark up the areas where price has reversed from, where price has reacted before. Study how the price reacted to that particular level, what happened, what types of candlestick did the market print in that particular level, and why it printed it, how it printed it, probably the size of the candlestick and all that. Study it, and then look if that particular candlestick occurs at every reversal area, and if it does, then try doing a demo, probably using that candlestick pattern or that chart pattern or that reversal technique you learned from the back testing and all that, and apply it to demo, trade it, and if it works for you, boom, good, you created your own strategy. If it doesn't work, then go to the charts, look at the charts again, start all over and get your stuff. So why am I going to be taking a trade here if the price starts struggling? You can also call these levels areas of struggle. You can call these support and resistance zones areas of struggle, where price struggle to break past, or where price struggle to break past and where price respected. You can call them area of struggle, markets playground, markets playgrounds, I think. So I took my Fibonacci, lined it up here. So what am I expecting to see? As you can see here, I drew my Fibonacci. If you don't know how to use the Fibonacci, you guys should leave a comment on the comment section, and I will do a video on that as well and show you guys how you can use the Fibonacci to probably add as a confluence to your trading strategy. It works. It works. It works. See, it is a price action tool. It works. So here you can see I took my Fibonacci from the swing low to the swing high to get in my numbers. As you can see, these are the numbers: 23%, 38, 50%, 61.8 and 50% in between. That is the golden zone. That is a golden zone. That is what I marked up here. So this thing here is a golden zone for me. As you can see, I use this tool to mark it up. So now I can remove the Fibonacci since I already got my, I can delete the Fibonacci since I already have I already used something else to mark up the zone right here. So I just took this tool and marked up the golden zone right there. So I'm going to close. So currently here you can see this is the golden zone. If price decides to come down here, start giving me my entry, set up my entry signal, and I'm going to be taking a buy with multiple confluences. Why? Price was in a descending channel, it broke above in a horizontal level as well, and price is kind of forming an uptrend. You can see this is the lower low, the higher, this is a high, this is a low. I'm not going to call it a higher low because there was no low before it, so I'm going to call it a low. This is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high. So what does that tell you? Market is hopefully, if it's going to continue to the upside, it is going to print a lower low here. It's going to print a lower low for it to continue to the upside. But if it does not do that, then I might probably wait for it to break back into this descending channel and look for sells. But for now, I am still bullish on this SPY. Bias is going to be on buys. A lot of fundamentals coming out this week, so you guys should be very cautious. Mostly the British exit. It's coming out. It's a big news that affects the market. It moves the pound, the euro, I think so. was the era as well. British exit European Union and British, coming together on agreement. So if it is a no deal, if it turns out, if Governor Bailey, I think Governor Bailey, that is the governor of, I think, I'm not going to go into that yet. So if the governor comes out and say it is a no deal for the British and European Union agreement, if they decide it is a no deal, it's going to affect the pound, I think, negatively. It's going to affect the pound negatively. So guys, that's what I'm looking for on AUD NZD. And yeah, so with these little wisdom, you can just look up in the charts and like do your own thing and see where you're going. Just do your thing and be you. So guys, do leave a comment. This is just, I did this video in a hurry because my original earphone that I would have used relaxed, and probably do a normal weekly outlook video. I think the thing is crazy somehow. I don't know what is wrong with it. Does not there's no sound. Each time I try using it to record, it does not give me a sound, so I had to use a normal earpiece, a little earpiece. So guys, I hope you guys learn a little thing or two from this video. So I'm just going to talk quickly about this GBP USD. What I'm looking at GBP USD is for the price to come down to this level and give me a continuation signal to go to the upside, to hop in on buys. As you can see here, this is a strong level. This is a strong daily level. If you look to the back, that's back to the left. On the back, if you look to the left, where the history is, there, you look to the back, you see that this is a daily level. Price has touched it multiple times, multiple times, and I marked it up, and price broke out of it. If it retests, I'm going to be hopping in on buys, target this next level for my first take profit, and the overall for my second take profit. So if price starts rejecting, showing me some bearish signal for a potential reversal to the downside, I close my full position there. This is if it all depends if this level holds, this level is able to hold the price and push to the upside. So yeah, I'm currently bearish on the US dollar right now, because you can see the US dollar index is falling. It is falling somehow. It is falling, the US dollar. So I normally add the US dollar index as a confluence for my trading when I'm trading gold, pound USD, euro USD, any USD pairs. Add the DXY to it as a confluence. Study DXY. If it's in a downtrend, you know then the dollar is somehow weak compared to some of the major currencies. So guys, that will be all for now and today. So guys, please do subscribe. Do ensure to subscribe, and not just subscribe, click on the notification bell that will appear after clicking the subscribe button. Notification bell will appear. Click on it and then click on all, so as to get notified whenever I upload any videos. So guys, that will be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope I was not boring. Also, I hope I wasn't like kicking myself in the head and all that. So guys, that will be all for now and all for today. So guys, do ensure to look at the fundamental calendar and get ready, because this week is going to be a lit week. It's going to be lit, guys. It's going to be lit. So guys, I'll be all for now, and stay blessed, stay safe. Until the next video, I'll be all signing out.